before we get into the details of resetting the vegetable beds, here's what it used to look like until yesterday morning. And now let's go further back and take a look at all the vegetable that we've been lucky to harvest with the kids so far.
Wow, look at this.
Oh my gosh, that's a big one.
I want to show you something. Here. Look.
Oh my gosh, that is a huge one.
What is it again?
That is cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
I think that one is ready for harvesting. Do you want to check it out, Ken?
Okay. What about this one?
I think so too. We need to get that one out. I don't know why it's yellowing.
Yeah, because it's the sun, of course.
You think so? Should I cut it?
No.
Are you able to do it?
I'm able to do it.
Good job. Put it in your basket. That
Look at
looks
it.
Beautiful. Oh la la, we're going to have that for dinner tonight. Okay. So we'll put all the salad there. And we'll put the veg here.
I like broccoli. This is my favorite vegetable. Vegetables.
But you ate the broccoli last time, didn't you?
Yeah.
And I cooked it. So do we have everything or should we have a small broccoli? Awesome job. Great job. You remember when we planted these broccolis? They were so small. And look at them now. Wow. Beautiful. It's not too bad, is it?
I'll take one.
You do like kohlrabi, don't you? You remember how we...
I love kohlrabi.
Right, twist it, Prince. You remember last
twist
time?
it.
Yeah, voila, you twist it. There you go. Voila, super gemacht. Look at that beauty. I don't want you guys to hurt yourself. Huh? Can you press it? Prince. Oh, awesome. Look at that. Wonder?
Broccoli is so tasty.
Right? Kyang is eating raw broccoli. That is a beautiful thing to watch.
It's yummy, but also healthy.
Right? Awesome, Prince. You got it?
Fruits and vegetables.
Let me see it.
Oh. I don't see
Wow,
any.
now you can remove the leaves.
Now, remember guys, fruits and vegetables are healthy and tasty.
Wow.
Especially the broccoli.
Wow.
Do you want to try one raw?
I would like to try the cauliflower raw. I've never tried that before.
Yeah.
Are you going to eat all of that? Just like that?
Yeah, I don't know what I'm waiting for. I'll take this one.
No, you guys, we have to cook it. We have to prepare it for everybody. You cannot just eat it.
Okay, now take this one away.
Right,
and that
exactly. Just cut a little bit. If you want to eat some, just remove some of this. Voila, you remove it like that, then you get a snack. Can I snack on it too? Wow.
What's your favorite vegetable? So if you want to give us a feedback, give us a favor. Do you have any favorite vegetable? Let us know in the comments below.
Wow. So you had him. You should let us know what your favorite vegetable is. That was a couple of days ago when we harvested the broccoli, the kohlrabi, and some of the cauliflower. I'm back in the garden today trying to do some cleanup, trying to remove the weed so that we can free some of the space and planting new things. So here we are today. The garden is pretty much free of weed, and I was also able to remove the old plant from the first vegetable. I think now it's time to head over to the local garden center and get a few new things to plant in these new spaces. So here I am at my favorite garden center. It's also the one closest to where I live, and I just like coming here really quick and getting what I need. They always have such beautiful things. So this is some of the veg that we'll be getting today. They have seeds of all kinds of vegetable. Oh, peas. We could use more peas. So now let me get to what I actually came here for. Here is the flower section. Beautiful roses. I need to put roses in my garden. Beautiful baskets, hanging baskets, and all the nice things you see. So I just discovered this hydrangea at a very good price. Look at that, 9 francs 99. So I've taken 3, and now I need to get to what I actually came here for. Oh my gosh, look at all these roses. I've been looking for sweet potato until now, and it's... So that would be my sweet potato. And I'm going to get a few more tomatoes. I thought I was done with planting tomatoes, but I could find space in front and put a few tomatoes inside. And here is the soil that I always use when I need to add something. So this is the stuff that I got. Of course, it's more than what I was coming here to get, but... So I'm back home now, and I'm trying to get the stuff out of the car and into the garden. So now I'm adding in fresh soil, and then I'll be planting the things. I've never planted sweet potato before. I don't know how this one is going to turn out. This is a variety called Bonita. It's ready for harvest in October. It's definitely getting really hot now, and I need to force myself to finish this project today. Alright, so we have the tomatoes over there. I have the zucchinis here now from the backyard. I'm going to move them here because they're not doing these pots, and the soil is just not holding up water that well. So if I'm not watering like 2 or 3 times a day, they're never going to bring their fruits to maturity. I'm kind of worried about that. So I'm going to put them here, and I hope that they'll have more room to expand their roots, and I'll not have to worry about watering that much. Anyways, I better start planting those tomatoes now before it gets too hot. So over here, I don't really have the possibility to bury the tomato deep, and that is the reason why I'll be planting it horizontally. Like, I'll slip it in the ground, and then just slightly bring the head up. That way it still gets to have enough stem buried in the ground to further develop roots. So I'm going to be taking off those lower leaves and then slipping it like that, and then slowly bringing the head at the end here up. So that's how I'll do that. So I've put that tomato in as well. So I have 2 on this side now and 2 on the other side, with the sweet potato in the middle. Right now I'm going to be putting in the zucchini plants over here. So I got the zucchini plant from the backyard, and I'm going to be planting them over here. One on this side and the other one on the other side. I think they will be much better off here, and I will not have to water them that much. So here we have it. I'm going to water that immediately. So I moved this one went much better than the other one, but moving the plant. So I hope that they will settle in nicely. So it got really hot yesterday, and I just had to stop the work and just take a break. I did come back later in the evening and completed everything, finishing off the beds, the planting, added in mulch, straw mulch that you see underneath the zucchini plants. But everything is looking fine so far, and I'm really happy that I was able to do that, all of this weekend. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next one. Bye bye.